To record sounds on the Samsung Galaxy A57, you have to start by opening your voice recorder that should be available somewhere here. If it is not here, then you can input recorder phrase. Here, recorder, the voice recorder. We are looking at this application, we have to grant all of those permissions. And before you start recording, you will have to click on this three lines actually, and you have to go for settings by clicking here. So what we can do here, first of all, we can change recording quality. So if you want to get high quality, pick this one. Then also we can record in a stereo mode. You can also block calls while recording, so any call don't interrupt you. But also, for example, automatically play next record. You can also set audio playback. So if you are recording your voice records by using your earphones, then you can do this by selecting earpiece. And now when you make everything, you have to go back and now click on this button to start recording. Now as you can see, we have to click here to stop, then click here one more time to resume. We can mark something on the timeline, and of course we can finish by clicking on this icon. Now we can set a name, set a category, click save, and it will be visible just over here.